All right, I'm not sure if I got this right, everybody. I just was trying to figure out a way for you all to play it on just standard tuning and everything. Because Wilbur he's good at those alternate tunings. So this is just a way that you can kind of mess around with the song and try to get the voicings kind of close to what it actually is with standard tuning. And this works on acoustic or electric. I've got my electric today. I just thought it sounded a little better for this song. So let's get into it. Capo on 1, and what you're going to do is play an E minor 7 shape. So you're going to set your index finger 2nd fret of the A, middle finger 2nd fret of the D, ring finger 3rd fret of the B. So what you're going to do is a strum pattern it's very staccato sort of sounding. So you're doing 2 down strums and kind of muting very quickly after those down strums. All right. Then you're going down, up, all right? So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. All right? Then we're going to go to a B7 shape. So your middle finger is going to jump up to where your index finger was on 2nd fret of the A, index finger 1st fret of the D, ring finger 2nd fret of the G. And this one, here's the thing, you can get away with just doing that same strum pattern. I think that sounds nice for all the chords. But if you listen on the recording, what he's doing for that second chord is so down, 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 up, 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 up. One more time, a little slower. Down, 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 up, 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 up. Okay, so there's just sort of an alternating strum pattern on that second chord. Again, you don't have to do that. You could just stick to the same strum pattern at first just to kind of get through the song and get all the chords. So you could also go. All right. Now the next chord is a C major 7 shape. Index finger 3rd fret of the A, ring finger 5th fret of the D, middle finger 4th fret of the G. And this one, if you let the B and high E ring open a little bit, I think it still sounds pretty good. I think in the intro I was just kind of focusing on those 3 strings though, the A, the D, and the G. Back to that strum pattern, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. All right. Then G. Yeah, is that a G? Yep. All right, so for the G voicing, it looks like a bar chord, but it's not. And you probably could just play like a standard G if you want, but the G I was doing was index finger 3rd fret of the low E, ring finger 5th fret of the A, pinky 5th fret of the D, middle finger 4th fret of the G. And again, if you're letting high E and B ring open a little bit, it kind of gives you that Wilbur dissonant, major 7 sound that he gets. It's an awesome sound, by the way. I like it. And again, he may alternate to the other pattern here, but you can still just play the same one. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Right? So let's put that all together. So we've got all right, so now the stop, why'd you have to kill my cat line is really funky and weird. I cannot figure out the timing of it for the life of me, but I did figure out something that kind of works. You hit the E minor 7, so it's E minor 7, then you're gonna go down, 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 up, down, up, and go to the B7 shape. So stop, then it continues, right? Then we get into, you'll hear these sort of like nice halftime hit chords on where he says, I don't know. All right. Then it continues. Now the someday, we're going to go to an A minor shape. So index finger, first fret of the B, middle finger, second fret of the D, ring finger, second fret of the G. Just a nice whole note strum. Up to that C major 7 with the high E and B ringing open, I think sounds nice. So you'll hear those hits, right? You'll hear very distinct hits on a lot of these parts. So I'm trying to give you the pieces of the puzzle here to just play through the song. So that so far is most of what you need for the song. You've got your A minor to C major 7 for those sort of like slow breaks. But at the beginning you also hear, you know, you hear it on that E minor 7 shape. All right. So you have to use your ears and listen for those things, but this should get you pretty close. Let me check one more thing here. All right, so when he sings the line after, so you can do in the A minor to C major 7 thing, after he sings the line about inconsistent, you'll hear again the hits, okay? So you can follow those, but then you'll hear a continuation on that same chord. So these are the things I'm talking about that you have to use your ears for, catch those little details. At the end of the song, you'll hear it driving through just the main chords. Alright, you'll hear it driving through the main chords going to the G for the inconsistent line. And that one I'm just going down, up, down, up, down, down, right? Something like that. Right? So that's all you should need to play this song. That's all the pieces to the puzzle. You just got to use your ears, kind of fit everything together. Listen for the little details that he adds into his songs, like the extra, you know, couple of bars on that C major 7 after that stop. You know, there's just little things like that that happen a few times throughout the song, but you should be able to get through it with what I've shown you. So if this was helpful for you, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.